Can You Hear Me Knocking is a happy accident, as the Rolling Stones called it. The band recorded a 3-minute song, but they thought the tape wasn't rolling anymore and they started jamming for another 4 minutes. Fortunately, the engineer never stopped recording, and thanks to that we have a great jam full of Mick Taylor licks. Let me share with you my favorite 5 licks from Can You Hear Me Knocking. Lick number 1 is a question and answer pentatonic phrase in D minor. In lick number 2, Taylor plays a repetitive pentatonic lick and ends it bending F a whole step up to G. Another tasty lick in D minor, pay attention to the bending. Lick number 4 is a classic blues influenced Mick Taylor lick. Lick number 5 starts with a typical pentatonic pattern and ends with a repetitive phrase that sets the tone for the end of the jam. When asked about the Taylor era of the Rolling Stones, Keith Richards said that Taylor played in a sweetly sophisticated way and that he had a lovely sense of melody. And I couldn't agree more. In my opinion, he never got the credit he deserves as a guitar player, and I think he was key in what for me is the golden era of the Rolling Stones. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you next time.